And we are back. Oh, I like that poster.
Visitors were hurrying across from the mainland to meet her.
I'm so buying that.
All the engines were working hard to make sure everything was ready.
Come to think of it, now the castle looks even better.
Thomas went to the steamworks to find Stephen.
You won't find him there.
Where's Stephen? I don't know, Thomas. He left in quite a hurry. He kept asking about his new job. His new job? He didn't even know what it was. Where could he have gone?
Oh, Thomas. We know you mean well, but sometimes you just...
See, Thomas, the Earl warned you not to say anything to Stephen. Now look what's happened. Nothing's happened. We'll find him. So Thomas...
Oh, I don't know if you'll find him in the open.
They asked everyone they met if they'd seen him.
Sorry, Rarity. I honestly can't say I've seen him.
I don't think he came to
I hope we'll see more of Millie in 19 and 20 season.
Yeah, he was here, James. Diesel had to tell him to keep out of the way.
That dirty Diesel.
He seemed like a nice engine, Thomas, but the cars were too heavy for him.
Oh.
Nobody knew where
I'm glad they still trust him after they thought he did what he, you know, that story. Oh, this gives off a creepy feeling. Oh, nobody can hear you at this time of night. First Thomas, now Stephen. Who else could get trapped in a mine? Duncan got trapped in a mine. Oh, that's right, he did.
Stephen raced around the old mine, but he couldn't find another way out.
Oh dear. Oh dear, dear Stephen.
As he hurried round a bend, he bashed into some ropes.
Oh!
It started a rock slide.
The worst kind.
Back at Tidman's sheds, Thomas told the other engines that Stephen was missing. He couldn't have gone very far, Thomas.
But he might be in danger.
Well, you shouldn't have told him he had a job when he didn't.
Exactly!
He does have a job to do for the Earl. We all have to find him and make sure he's safe.
Indeed.
As the dust cleared, Stephen
Ooh, a treasure chest.
I'll just push it out of the way.
Oh, Stephen? Wait. Oh, I think I know what it is. But I'm not gonna say it.
Thomas woke all the engines up early. He had only one thing on his mind.
Come on, Steamy. Get those boilers bubbling.
And that's why he's the leader of the steam team.
Thomas, James, Percy, where are you all
Oh,
going?
great.
Sorry, sir, but the Earl of Sodor's new engine, Stephen, has gone missing. We have to
And
find
don't you decide against it, Topham. I have great respect for you, but...
Has anyone seen Stephen? Victor says he left the steamworks and hasn't come back. I need him for the opening of Ulfstead Castle. Tomorrow. Oh,
Tomorrow?
Please, sir, may Percy, James, and I help with the search?
Very well, Thomas. I shall assign your jobs to other engines.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Sir Topham. And I shall also alert the Sodor Search and Rescue Center.
Oh, good. They get to help, too. What? Another song! 2 songs in a movie. During the movie. Oh! Oh! Connor and Caitlin are gonna help too. That's good. Their debut and already they're helpful. I like that shot too. And that one. If they played these songs when Thomas went missing again, because normally Thomas was the one who went missing. 2 times it happened to him. But now it's Steven is missing.
They searched every shunting yard, station, and tunnel.
They're looking in all the wrong places though. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear me.
Oh, I don't believe it. I turned round in a loop. This is the tunnel I came down at the start. Wheel turn by wheel turn. He tried to keep going, but I can't move another inch.
Goodness gracious, this makes him sound like he's dying or something.
Maybe we should check.
But they would never allow that to happen.
We know Steven's not there, Percy. That's the track to the old mine. We went down there when the troublesome truck ran away.
Go that way, Thomas.
Maybe we should check anyway, Thomas, just in case. Okay, Percy, I'll go.
And that's why those two are best friends.
Don't worry, Thomas. We'll find Steven.
Thomas pushed his way along the overgrown track.
Steven! Steven!
Be careful,
The
Thomas.
last section of track was weak, where the wooden supports had rotted away.
Oh dear.
Thomas came to the end of the line, where the entrance to the mine was blocked by the stones.
Oh.
I knew he wasn't down here.
But he is, Thomas.
And he noticed something down below.
Oh, thank goodness.
Steven's funnel! Steven! Steven!
Respond, Steven.
Thomas?
Come on.
Stephen tried to whistle, but nothing came out.
Oh no.
First try.
It's no use. Steven's not here.
No, Thomas. He is there, and that is his funnel. Come on, Steven, do it.
He summoned all his energy and
Oh, he did it.
Cinders and ashes! He is here! Don't worry, Steven! I'm coming to rescue you! But I need help to move all these rocks!
Yeah, don't do what you did last time. Tried to bash your way through the rocks.
Ultimate Castle to fetch help.
Jack! Jack!
Oh, good. Jack's gonna help.
Then he raced back to the old mine with Jack.
I'm glad Jack gets a big role in this one.
Steven! I'm back! And I brought my friend Jack! He's a front loader! We're going to get you out of there, Steven!
But Stephen didn't answer.
This is a job for Jack. Don't worry, Thomas. I'll get the engines cleared for you.
As soon as the entrance was cleared,
Oh, good job, Jack.
Careful, Thomas.
the wing track shifted under his weight.
Oh.
But Thomas fell bravely over it and into the mine.
Steven! Steven! Thomas! Oh!
Finally.
Forgotten me.
Rescued at last.
Now, Steven, I've come to get you out of here.
Really? I was thinking of taking up mining. I can't even find
Even
my
in
way
a
out
time of
the tunnel.
despair, he can
I'm
joke.
afraid you were wrong, Thomas. I'm not really useful anymore.
Nonsense. The Earl has a job for you, Steven. Working on his
course.
Sure.
Yes, he's restored Ulstead Castle. You're going to work there showing guests around. You'll be the Earl's new knight in shining armor.
Mm-hmm.
Wow! Oh, thank you for rescuing me. I wouldn't be much use as a knight if I was stuck in an old mine.
Indeed.
Stephen!
How'd they find out where they were?
You haven't all come to see me again, have you? Of course we have. You are a very important engine. We need to get you ready for the big day tomorrow.
What did I tell you?
Oh, sir, I found a big wooden chest.
Uh-oh. Oh, no!
Careful!
Oh! Ah!
I'm slipping.
Oh, dear!
You need to brace the traffic.
I'm coming, Thomas.
Oh! Don't damage your arms again, Jack!
Scissors and ashes.
Oh! Ah! Oh!
They can't hold it for long.
Oh! Come on, Thomas! Oh! Woo! Oh, goodness, that was a close one, too.
Bravo, Jack! Bravo, Thomas!
Bravo indeed.
We must all get ready. Tomorrow is going to be a really special day.
Break time.